Oaks have always been a symbol of strength, durability, and authority in North America. Northern red oak trees helped build America. Native Americans used their bark as medicine, and when settlers came to North America, they used northern red oak and other oaks for masts on ships, pioneer wagon trains, railroad ties, homes, and now we see them with their coarse grains used as flooring and furniture in our homes. Oak leaves are even used on uniforms of majors and lieutenant colonels in the US military as a symbol of authority. These trees have witnessed all of our history in North America, and throughout all of it, been a valuable resource. Northern red oaks dominated our eastern forests before the Industrial Revolution. Even now, the northern red oak is a prominent tree in the eastern US. It is the northernmost oak in North America and can be found from Quebec, Canada, to as far south as Alabama, west from Minnesota, and all the way east to the tip of Maine. This valuable resource and ally throughout history has a new threat: climate change. Increased temperatures and more extreme weather events are already occurring. This summer, we saw a drought in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, as well as above average temperatures. Northern red oaks have a large distribution and have adapted to varying environmental conditions, from the harsh environment of northern Minnesota and Michigan to warmer, wetter conditions in the southeastern US. In my project, my lab took over 1,000 acorns of northern red oak trees across their geographic range and planted them at 2 sites, one near Kalamazoo, Michigan, and one in Lawrence, Michigan, which sites differ by 10 degrees Fahrenheit in their mean annual temperatures. These plantations with genetically diverse populations of northern red oaks are called common gardens. The oaks in the common garden are now 1 year old. My lab measures the genetic and physiological characteristics of these oaks to see how well they have adapted to the environmental conditions at the common gardens. Which trees are growing the best? What site did those trees come from? What does this mean for oaks in the future? In my research, I examine the physiology of northern red oak seedlings. These physiological parameters include their rate of photosynthesis, their water use efficiency, and the chemical compounds in their leaves. How well the oaks respond at these sites can help determine if northern red oaks will be able to move northward with climate change, and which populations will be the most successful. Currently, environmental changes are occurring so rapidly they are outpacing natural migration of northern red oaks, so we may have to assist their migration. Assisted migration is taking northern red oaks from a population, for example, the population we found most successfully adapted in our common garden, and moving them to a more suitable area as their range shifts with climate change. We are gaining the knowledge to understand what traits will make northern red oaks successful on our changing planet. This means we can help our leafy allies in their fight with climate change.